You ready to K-swap your car, but you need to install the engine mounts? Perfect video for you. I'm about to show you how to install them. Right in front of me, I got the engine mount kit. I got this off of eBay for a steal. This is specifically for a K20 motor with the K20 transmission. Now I got the Z3 and the Z3 engine. So let's hop into it. You got your bolts and your hardware. Pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna jump into the easiest part first. This is the transmission side mount. If you want your engine to sit lower, it's probably because you got the K24. Since I have the K20, I'm gonna have it sit just like this. The transmission mount is in place. What you'll need is your bolt with the washer. Line it up, send it through. I'm not gonna tighten everything down super tight simply because I want everything to move around a little bit for when I do put the motor in the car, I can move everything around. Once you have the transmission mount bolted, now you wanna move to the rear mount. The piece that you'll need is this one right here. This will go on the subframe, face down like this. And then this right here is what connects to the motor. Before you install this onto the mount, you're gonna have to bolt this together like that from the bottom. The rear engine mount is officially bolted to the plate. Now it's time for me to go ahead and install it to the rear subframe. I forgot. Make sure you put washers on your bolts. The rear engine mount is officially done and completed. Now we're gonna move on to the passenger side. You will need this piece right here. You're gonna wanna install it just like this on this side. But before you do that, there's two holes on the bottom of this frame rail. This is what they look like. That bolt is a hole right here and a hole right here. Once you get this mount lined up with the holes underneath, you wanna mark holes right here so you can send these bolts straight through and lock them in from the bottom. Once you get this bolt sent, you wanna do the same thing to this side. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just move forward into the mounts. This right here is the engine side mount. Don't set it like this. It faces up, just like this. Now when you send it through, you're gonna want bolt, washer, washer, nut. For the last two mounts that we have this one that bolts straight to the transmission. My transmission's over here. And it is, let's see. If I'm looking at the transmission, from this side. So that means this mount goes like this onto the transmission. Let me go ahead and bolting that up. Bam, like that, transmission mount is bolted up, ready to go. And the final mount is this one right here, this piece right here. This connects to the rear engine mount and to the engine when the transmission is connected. It's a bolt that goes about, I think it's right here maybe, or somewhere in this area to put this, to finish up the process. So when it comes to this piece, I am not gonna do it on camera. And yeah, that's how you install your engine mounts on your 90s Honda. Like, comment, subscribe.